Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to contact Google for support. With most issues you encounter in the course of using Google, be it a problem with your Gmail, your Google Chrome browser, or Google Maps, other people have likely encountered and documented the same issues a dozen times over. Google staffers write tutorials on dealing with common issues, and there are also user forums addressing problems. Here's how to find the former. Now, make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Then, on your browser, just type support.google.com. And here, you will see a search bar into which you can type your issue above nine icons displayed in the middle of the screen. If you have a problem with one of these specific products like Google Chrome or YouTube, click the icon. If not, briefly describe your issue in the search bar. Search for specific issues or click the icon for specific products. The page following each icon will list out many of the more common issues users experience. So look for your problem there. If you can find the help you need from Google posted contents, consider sifting through or asking its forum. So, same here at this page. Just select the icon of the Google product or service at issue and click at it. For example, in Google account. As you see here, in the next page, near the top left of the screen, click the word community. Now, browse through for answers or type a question in the search bar. Autofill will describe your issue in the center of the page. In the box at the bottom of the featured post section on the community page, you can click blue words, ask now to post a question to the community. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!